Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel and I'm here with another video on Sparkchain AI. Are you looking for a way to actually profit from your internet data? Meaning how you use the internet, not personally your internet data like browsing history and all that. How you use the internet and how you browse, and also profit from your unused internet. If that sounds nice for you, then Sparkchain is here for you. So this project actually is a DePIN that utilizes AI to analyze users internet data to actually profit, and maybe you earn points from it, and then you can actually sell your internet data and they monetize it and convert these points to the Spark tokens, where you basically earn and profit when the TG and the listing is actually done. So before I go dive deep into this project, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course you can join our WhatsApp community for more updates and more more airdrops updates, of course. So let me just go dive deep into this project. Of course, firstly, this project will be listed on Solana blockchain. So of course, you know, Solana like funding a couple of projects, and if this is a project with high utility, Solana doesn't mind putting a lot of money into it. So because they are going to profit, of course it has a reward use to it, reward utility. So of course the use case is kind of good. So basically what you do in this project is, if you want to refer people, basically you come to this place and you can actually share wants to share, yeah, you can share your link with people, but that's not the main way of mining. What you have to do is go to this place right here and search for Chrome Web Store. So once you search for that, you click on it. I'll be dropping the link, of course, in the description of this video. So if you want to register, the link will be in the description basically. So you don't need to bother, you just have to register, then come back, copy the link and just paste it on your browser. So once you do that, you click on search and then you search for Spark Light node. Okay, so once you click on search for Spark Light node, you click on it. Basically the browser that you'll be needing for this is Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser, or you can use the system. So you are going to download the extension by clicking on this place right there. You add, so you can, let me just remove it, and then you see add to Chrome, you click on it and then you add to Chrome. Okay, so once you do that, you can come back to the Sparkchain AI page. So as you can see right here, here's my dashboard. I'm back to my dashboard, of course, and this shows my earning stats. That's how many points I've been earning. So this is kind of the lowest. I think that's on the 27th of February. Of course, this is the lowest, and as you can see, all these ones today, it just started. So basically I'll be earning more points eventually later. So what you have to do is click on this place right here. So here I have a lot of extensions, and I'm going to search for Spark Light node, and here's in this extension. I'll click on it, and then basically it has connected and mining has started, as you can see. So that's just it. So the next thing to do is you can actually go to tax. Once you go to tax, you'll see a couple of tax here. For me, I've completed a couple of them, and some are still remaining. Of course, I introduced this airdrop, I think it was last 2 months, because that was when the mining actually started. So these are the things that you need to claim. I don't have up to 50 referrals yet, so I can't claim this one, 20 points. So you can complete this task, do this one, complete this one as well. So I'm going to follow them on X. Of course, I'm already following them, but I think it was not actually noted in the system. So I'm going to complete that task right now. So their X page is just kind of loading and will soon open. Once it does, I will show you guys a couple of things, and there are several things you should avoid about this project as well. So I will come to that in a minute. So I've completed the task. Basically, as you can see, what I have to do now is claim. So while the claiming is still loading, I think they're having a little bit of server issue here. So there are a couple of things that you should avoid. First being that you should actually avoid creating a multiple accounts, especially on the same device, is really bad. Creating multiple accounts just for the sake of actually having multiple referrals, it's actually frowned against in this airdrop, of course. So they really frown against it. Okay, as you can see, I've successfully claimed the reward. So they frown against this practice because it actually goes against their rule of actually using your real internet to actually browse. It's just like they are using the same, and they will track you down. How? Through your IP address, of course. So if you create multiple accounts with the same IP address, they're going to track you down. But you can use one account on multiple devices. That's the best way to mine, and that's basically what I do to actually boost my allocation. I use one account on my laptop, my other phone, and this other phone, especially when I want to sleep. So that's the best way to mine this project. And of course, this project will be listing in the second quarter of 2025. So don't miss out on this. So as you can see by here, this is my post in the group, and this is what they said. Second quarter 2025. This is their roadmap, of course. So Spark token launch, release of Spark tokens with full tokenomics, enabling staking, including staking and reward system, as you can read here. So you can actually stake your token once that is done. And so this other one is Spark token listing on Dex. So Spark token will be actually listed on decentralized exchanges, I think, before it goes to centralized exchanges. So that's just basically what you need to know. That's basically what you need to know about the project. The project is actually going to do well. This is their roadmap. So you can actually do this. You can actually earn more by actually using multiple devices. Like I said, that's one of the best way. Or you can actually use the same device but use different browsers like Kiwi. And if you have split screen, I don't have Kiwi browser here anymore, so that's what I used to do initially. But I think I will advise you to actually basically get a second device if you want to boost your allocation or refer more persons. And my link will actually be in the description of this video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course join our WhatsApp community for more updates regarding crypto. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.